Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So I believe we will start with removing the account because that operation is more tricky. Let's start with opening the settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and open the Google. I just wanted to show you that we are logged in, and unfortunately for some reason we are not able to remove our account using this section. I don't know why. After tapping here we are not able to remove it. Here 3 dots icon also not. But no worries, of course we can do that. Let me go back, and all we have to do is to simply tap on users and accounts, which is at the top. So just tap on it, and as you can see here we've got our Google account. Just tap on it and tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove account, tap on remove account again. Of course, if you've got a screen lock you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, but as you can see your device will immediately remove the Google account. And if you wish to add the account, obviously you can do it using the Google section, which I've shown you before, or simply tap on add account here. Tap on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device. Just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can simply tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.